Amazing morning, Team Blessed Worldwide. Look at me. Who am I? Hi! I am Dr. Yoshihide Hagiwara, aka Mentor Liam James Bagalayos Equila, a scientist, a doctor, and a pharmacologist. Our topic for today is all about barley. Who wants to be healthy? So take barley now. Ask me why? Why? Because barley was recognized by science as the most nutritious of all plant foods. And also, barley was mentioned in Bible 37 times from Exodus 9 verse 31 to Ezekiel 4 verse 9. Our amazing pure organic barley has a 68 micronutrients such as 17 types of minerals, 16 types of vitamins, 17 types of enzymes, and 18 types of amino acids. Barley is really good to boost our immune system